servers are not working 1 minute ago. PSN down for y'all, can't load anything. So I was trying to use PlayStation Network, but I'm getting this error. Something went wrong, and the error code is CE-11773-6. So what does this error code is all about? Today in this video, we'll be going to check out all the details right from the Ask PlayStation and all the latest details from the game developers itself. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so tons and tons of people are getting this exact error into their PlayStation. So in order to check out what's really going on, I'm heading over to the down detector first of all to show you what's really going on. And here you can see guys, PlayStation Network is having some major outage as of right now. About 3000 outage report right there just as of right now and doing this video. Guys, definitely that's a serious outage issue in a very short duration of the time. So does that mean is this a serious issue or just a server outage? Well, let's check it out. Right over here onto the Twitter, we have got a couple of people talking about it. Yeah, PSN down. A lot of games weren't working. PSN down. PSN down worldwide. Servers are not working 1 minute ago. PSN down. PSN down for y'all. Can't load anything. Definitely, guys, you can see how many people are reporting that PlayStation Network is down. Now, let me show you what's really going on. The latest PlayStation server status. But alright guys, so let's check it out what's really going on onto the PlayStation Twitter official page. So let's see whether we have got any latest update. Alright, so just 19 hours ago, here you can see the latest update for the PS5, couple of new games and all that. Then 4 hours ago, some new updates regarding Final Fantasy. Then 3 hours ago, Rise of the Ronin drops tomorrow. So you see the point guys, tons and tons of new game dropping in. Just 1 hour ago, the Horizon Forbidden West Complete Edition lands on PC today, 1 hour ago. So you see the point guys, tons and tons of new games are dropping in. And just 14 hours ago, Towers of Fantasy PlayStation is also dropping some new update. So definitely there are tons and tons of new update. That's why the PlayStation servers are down. Going over to the Ask PlayStation Twitter official page, well, as of right now, there is no recent update, and definitely guys, the outage reports are increasing. 3224 outage right now. So definitely once I get any latest details regarding the server uptiming, the downtime, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you next video.